Okay, so to register your student, go to delphi.k12.in.us, then click on the school that your child attends in order to get to the Skyward Parent login. And here it is for the elementary school. Type in your username and your password and sign in. And then you'll be taken to this screen. Open your family access. If you have any messages, they'll be right here, front and center. It looks like we need to verify ethnicity and race and do the 2021-22 online registration. Okay, so first I'm going to go to ethnicity race. If you've got more than one student, you might have to do this for more than one student, and you can toggle between the students up here. Okay, now if I go back home, I can see that that message is gone, but I still need to do my registration. Okay, so the goal is to get the green check marks next to each step listed to the right. Once you've done that, you should be able to submit online registration. If you want to apply for food service assistance, so if you want to apply for free and reduced lunches, this is the application form for that. If you don't want to apply, check this box. Then move on to verify the student information. Make sure you complete this form at the bottom about technology. Hit complete step 2, and then continue on. Health information, emergency contact information, field trip permission form is next. Then go on to the next step. If you moved from one district to another within the United States with a parent, relative, or guardian, so that person could look for seasonal or temporary work in agriculture. If that's the case, mark this box. If that's not the case, then you don't need to fill out the rest of this, and you can just skip it. Say complete step 6. If any of these are applicable, make sure you choose yes or no. And then sign. And date. So this step asks if you've read and acknowledge the appropriate use of technology for students. If you're not sure where to find that, go to the district homepage, Parent Community Resources, Technology Initiatives, and it's this one, the Acceptable Use Policy. And it looks like this. So if you agree to it and thereby give your student permission to use technology provided to them, make sure you sign and date, and then say complete step 8. Medical emergency release form, make sure that's complete. Over-the-counter pain reliever. I don't have anything to add, so I'm going to say complete this step. Oh, I've got to sign it first. If you haven't already added these, you'll need to add them over here. This is where you can pay any required fees, whether it be for food or textbooks or whatever. And right now, these 2 demo students don't have any fees to pay. But you can sign in to set up an auto replenish if you want it to automatically get funded on a monthly or weekly or whatever basis. This link will take you, it'll take you back to this same website where you can pay for any fees that you have accrued. And then say complete. If you get this message here, you may need to go over here to Skylert. and I appear to be having a bit of a technical issue with the Skylar retrieving information, and I'm not sure why that's happening, but I will get that fixed. And once that's working again, then you complete step 16 by going through and just checking, yep, I did all 15 steps, and then you'll submit your registration here, and then that's it. If you got questions, you can contact Carly Beamer or your student school.